All right, good Thursday morning to you, friends. It is warm, it is muggy, it is humid this morning, and unfortunately, that is just the beginning of what is going to be another dangerously hot day. Not even 6 a.m. yet, and it's already 82 in Memphis. It's 77 in Tunica and Somerville, 79 in Covington and Oxford. So it's already very soupy this morning as you're walking outside. That's just going to get worse through the day. Check out those high temperatures in the mid-90s this afternoon. Yet again, we'll see a mix of sun and clouds, but I do think we're going to see more sun than we did yesterday by the time we get to this afternoon, and that is going to help those temperatures to be a little higher than they were yesterday. Slight chances for rain through the day, but we're going to be watching this evening. By around sunset, there could be some thunderstorms that try to sneak into the area. We'll talk about that here in just a second. But again, that heat index, the big story today, because of the humidity, it's going to be feeling like 108, likely even hotter than yesterday. And of course, that's back in that dangerous category. So if you got to be outside, stay hydrated. Take breaks in the shade. If you don't have to be out, stay inside. Find a cool place to go, especially if you don't have power. Find somewhere else to stay cool. All across the Mid-South today, temperatures going to be in the mid to upper 90s. Many of us are going to be dry through the daytime, with the exception of Dyersburg. I think Dyersburg could see a quick round of storms between now and lunchtime. But again, for the daytime hours, many of us are going to stay dry. Here's the hour-by-hour radar. It's going to pick up on that. This model does indicate a little batch of thunderstorms passing through Dyersburg a little closer to 10 a.m. or noon. That's going to help you out with your temperatures. Dyersburg might stay a little more comfortable today, but the rest of us through the daytime going to stay dry and hot. Now this evening, by the time we get to sunset, models are trying to fire up some more thunderstorms. This is 8 p.m. This model wants to paint some thunderstorms in Memphis. Now, this is just a simulation. Especially this time of year, these models can be off a little bit. That's why you might have noticed the forecast changing so much. So this thing might go a little further south, might go a little bit further north, but I do want to let you know there's at least the potential for some thunderstorms in the Memphis area between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. as those move over to Corinth. That's the reason why that front coming through. That front's going to pop up some more thunderstorms through the day tomorrow, so expect some spotty thunderstorms for your Friday. Some good news is, though, that front knocks our temperatures down a little bit by the weekend. We've been under that influence of hot, high pressure. Watch what happens. By Saturday and Sunday, it goes back to the west a little bit. That gives us some relief from the heat, but it's not going to last long. By Monday, Tuesday, that heat comes right back. Unfortunately, you can see a little dip for the weekend and then hotter into next week. Here's the 7-day forecast. 96 today, hot and humid. Dyersburg could see a shower or a thunderstorm. Many of us are going to be dry through the day today, but some storms are possible this evening. More spotty storms for your Friday, and then the weekend honestly looks pretty nice. Sunshine, not as hot or humid, highs around 90. Sunshine continues into next week with pretty low rain chances Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, but that means the temperatures, they just keep heating up.